Welcome to the Flavour Fit YouTube channel, your hub for health and wellness. Today we're uncovering the story of an unseen hero, a mineral that's essential yet often overlooked, selenium. This mighty mineral plays a vital role in our bodies, keeping our metabolism rolling, supporting our immune system, and ensuring our thyroid functions properly. It silently works behind the scenes, making sure we're at our healthiest. This unseen hero, selenium, has more to it than meets the eye. Among its many roles, selenium shines as a powerful antioxidant. In our bodies, it's like a superhero, swooping in to reduce oxidative stress. This might sound like a complex process, but in simple terms, selenium is our internal cleanup crew, mopping up harmful free radicals that can wreak havoc on our cells. But selenium doesn't stop there. It's also our first line of defense against chronic conditions like heart disease and cancer. It's like our very own bodyguard, stepping in to shield our cells from damage. Selenium, our antioxidant powerhouse, stands guard, protecting our bodies from harmful conditions. Our heart, the engine of our body, has a special friend in selenium. This essential mineral works tirelessly, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can take a toll on our heart's health over time. By acting as a powerful antioxidant, selenium works to keep these threats at bay, helping to protect against chronic conditions such as heart disease. It's like a guardian, watching over our heart, ensuring its rhythm keeps on beating, strong and steady. With selenium at the helm, our hearts are better equipped to keep beating strong. Selenium also steps into the role of a memory keeper. This essential mineral is a beacon of hope in the fight against mental decline, particularly with Alzheimer's disease. It works diligently, ensuring our cognitive abilities stay sharp and our memories remain intact. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, selenium fosters a healthy environment for our neurons. This in turn helps prevent mental decline and even improve memory. A worthy ally in our quest for a healthy mind. Selenium, our memory keeper, ensuring our precious memories are held safe. When it comes to our immune system, selenium is a formidable ally. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in bolstering our immune response. It aids in reducing the risk of disease progression, acting as a protective shield against invaders. Whether it's the common flu or more severe conditions like HIV and hepatitis C, selenium supplements have shown to strengthen the immune system, providing an extra line of defense. With selenium as an ally, our immune system stands stronger against diseases. For those with asthma, selenium can be a breath of relief. This remarkable mineral may help ease the symptoms by reducing inflammation in the airways. It's like a cool breeze on a hot day for your lungs, providing much-needed comfort. Selenium, a potential relief for those gasping for breath. From acting as an antioxidant powerhouse to being a memory keeper, selenium plays a myriad of crucial roles in our bodies. We've explored its potential in heart health, memory preservation, immune system enhancement, and even as a breath of relief for asthma sufferers. Subscribe to the Flavour Fit YouTube channel for more insights into your health and wellness. Thank you for joining us today.